I'm gonna do an unboxing of this here WolfBox 4000 amp jump starter with air compressor. I woke up to a dead battery the other day. Got an alert on the old Ford that the remote features have been disabled, just to preserve the battery or whatever. Went out and it was 1.2 volts. So put the charger on all night. Woke up next morning, good to go. Stopped, had it tested fine. So no clue what's going on. Just typical Ford activities, I guess. So I'm getting ready to make a trip to Vegas. It's going to be sitting there at the airport for a week, and really didn't want to come back and be stranded. So figured, yeah, I'll buy one of these instead of a $260 battery and find out if it's actually bad. But either way, this is the WolfBox 4000. Air compressor, jump start, light, a little bit of everything. Didn't want one anyway, so it just kind of gave me an excuse to buy something I don't have. So man, that thing's a tank right there. So 4,000, 160 psi capable. Comes with your leads for the battery, jump start. Looks like she's got a little boosty mode there. Everybody loves some boost. Your air hose, USB-C to C cable here for a quick charge. It'll charge, I don't have to read it, but I think it's like 80% in 20 minutes on a 65 watt charger, so that's not too bad. So I'll go ahead and throw it on charge before I leave. And quite the instruction manual here. Well, it's in every language, so got 22 pages of English by lied. 18 pages of English. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this brand, so I figured it's worth a shot. If this doesn't work, I'll buy the Milwaukee one. So do it.